responding to emails, other options besides reply and forward. So there are times when you're going to get emails as you use your email account more and more, and you log into different sites or you sign up for newsletters and subscribe for hints and daily reminders. You're going to find that your inbox will get cluttered, and you need to, from time to time, go through it and clean it up. So to help you clean up the inbox, we use these different folders, or in some instances we can call them labels, that are to the side, this left hand side here. So this is our inbox, and we have to start in our inbox, and from there we can move other stuff. So drafts, we can put emails that we have started replying to but haven't sent. Further down, we have spam, anything that comes to us that we didn't solicit or ask for and we feel that it's just junk, we can put in here. Trash, when you delete an email, it goes here for a period of time. And further down, we have these categories by which when emails come into our inbox, they get grouped: primary, social, promotions, updates, forums. And further down, they're labels that we ourselves can create to group our emails. More on this though in a later version of the course. That's an advanced version, but just the basic thing. For instance, I have, let's say, 2 emails here from Google too. So I can double click it. It's basically an email, a security email telling me that 2 extensions I've added to my Google account or to Chrome now can access my account, and they can see what I'm doing and that sort of stuff. I can decide that, yes, they were granted access, I've read them, but I don't need to keep them. In this instance, I can use these options up here. So this first group is about archiving, reporting as spam, or simply deleting the message. The next group here, I can mark the email as unread and come back to it another time, or I can snooze the sender, or I can add it to task. Simply create a task, tell me to remind myself to do something with it. And this last group here, move to. I can move it from my inbox into a category or a folder, and this one I can add a label to it if I had any preset label, because what will happen is that will teach Google, or Gmail that is, how to categorize emails that come like this, and they can label them for me or apply filters that I might set later down. In addition, note that we can print the emails. Note that we can add stars to them. And of course, once we see these 3 dots, there's more stuff hidden behind here. Let's click and see. So, mark as unread, we have this one, but there's also mark as important. Add the star, we know we can click on the star to do that as well. Create an advent, this task. Filter messages, we filter messages using the labels. Mute, which means we don't want to hear from this one. Or we can find all of them that look like this and forward them to somebody else. So all that came from this sender, we can forward to somebody, because it might not be what we need to respond to. This will work a whole lot when you're dealing with business emails. Clicking it back, this takes us off. And of course, there's always our trusty reply and forward to the bottom of our emails. That's all.